What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you the FMS new tricks, new rigs. Now let's unbox it. Look at it. It's a Bigfoot. This is the stickers here. The manuals. Manuals. It's so beautiful. It's called the Max Smasher. Now this is a 1/24th skills crawlers. So this is just a Bigfoot, but this is indeed a crawler. Wow, it's so small. Range charger, and this I don't know what it is. And this is differentials, the diff lock, and there is differentials in here. Let's look at it. Differentials. So these two wheels rotate in different ways, in the opposite ways. Now this is transmitters. That's all. Now let's see the truck first. It's a Bigfoot. It's a Ford prototype. Hard bodies. It's a little bit like the metallic blue. Now let's see this as a portal axials, differentials. The tears is soft and there is no foams in it, so soft, only soft. Four-wheel drive. Now there is a small servos. This is a small servo for low speed and high speed small servos. And then here is the 130 motors. You can see it. 130 motors. Let's see the interiors. I don't know how to open it. Maybe just yes. Okay. Just unbox it. This is the interiors. This is the batteries, and this is batteries, plugs. I don't know where this should be plugged. Now let's see the headlights. Off, near light, high beam and low beam. Now this is a high beam. And the indicators the inclined lamps, it didn't have the lamps of the indicators here. Now let's see, this is a low speed and ever change to the neutral gear, the neutral gears, and this is high speed. Low speed. Now there is no shock oils in the suspensions, and maybe you can add oils into it. Big wheels. Now that's about the unboxing of the Bigfoot. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and mix comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.